Yan guys, 35, number 35. Eh syempre malamang 35 years old yung may birthday niyan. Pwedeng babae, pwedeng lalaki. Yan, 35. 35th pala, 35th. Happy 35th birthday. Yan. Guys, gumagawa kami ng ganyan. Dito lang kami sa may part kami ng Quezon City. Dito kami sa may Greenview. Greenview, Quezon City. Ayan. 35th birthday. Okay guys, thank you.